second chapter is what? Number system. Okay. As you can see, in number system you can able to, or you are able to learn. You are able to learn what? Different types of numbers. ये रोज आती है आवाज? हाँ, मगर गौर नहीं करते. अब कैमरा लगाने से गौर कर रहे थे. 4 बिस्किट, खाली बिस्किट रखे. ठीक है, चलो. तो नंबर सिस्टम में क्या करना है? You are going to learn about numbers. Which numbers? Different types of numbers. Like you will be having real numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, fractions,
whole number,
integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers, twin prime numbers. These all you are going to learn under number system. If you understand these numbers, then it is easy to solve many problems in 6th and 7th class textbooks. Am I clear? Not only there, it is going to be continue and it will be helpful for you. Apart from that, when we are discussing about division, you are going to learn their divisibility rules, and even that is going to be useful while solving the problems. Am I clear? So coming to the number system, first one is real number, or else I will write whole number, natural number, then I will write whole number, then I will write integer, then I will write rational numbers, then all it comes under real number, but here separate will be there for what? For irrational. Okay, then natural numbers, W, whole numbers, Z, integers, Q, rational numbers. Okay, then R. Then where is the fraction, prime, twin prime, composite numbers? Well, all will comes in this only. Okay, from this natural number you can pick the even numbers, odd numbers. From whole numbers also you can pick even numbers, odd numbers. From integers you can pick negative numbers, positive numbers, including zeros. From rational numbers you can pick fractions as well as fractions, because even fractions we are going to write in the form of a by b, and even the rational number is going to be written in the form of p by q. Am I clear? Then this, for all these numbers will comes under real number. It means real number is a daddy, or else you can write this real number here, because under this real number is rational, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and irrational numbers will comes under R, that is real numbers. Am I clear? So real number is a daddy of all the numbers. Like when we are representing the sets in the form of Venn diagram, right? We used to draw like this, right? Did you remember second chapter? A union B, A, B, and here we used to write one. What is that? What is that? What is this, beta?
Mu.
Why we and it is a what? Mu means what?
Universal.
Universal. It is the father of all the sets. Here the father of all the numbers are
Real
real numbers. Okay. If you want to represent in flow chart, you can go like this. Real numbers can be represented in two forms. One is rational number Another one is irrational number. Rational number. Again in under rational number you will be having fractions, they may be found. You will be having integers, you will be having whole numbers, you will be having natural numbers, odd numbers and even numbers. Then apart from that prime numbers, then apart from that composite numbers, then afterwards you will be having twin prime numbers. Am I clear? Twin prime numbers, this is all you will be getting in this. Okay? So today we will be discussing about what is a real number. Heading we are going to write. It is a, how we can define real number? By seeing the flow chart. By seeing the flow chart, how we can define?
Real number many
Real number of?
many types.
No, it is a combination
All the numbers.
of
All the numbers.
rational and
Rational.
irrational numbers. This one everyone should know, especially 10th and 9th class. They should know the meaning of a real number. It is a combination of rational and
Irrational.
irrational number. If you want to represent in set form, you can write R is equal to, real number is equal to rational union irrational number. Because why? What is the meaning of union? Union means writing all together. All together will give, this together will give us what?
Real number.
Real number.
Real number. So can we represent like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then afterwards you are going to write what is the meaning of rational number. Rational number means a number which can be written in the form of P by Q is known as rational number. Irrational number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q is known as irrational number. Then afterwards you are going to write about Z, integers. Integers means positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 are known as integers. Then whole numbers. Whole numbers are those numbers which can be written, which are going to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Then afterwards N. N means what? Natural numbers. Natural numbers are those numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3, so on. Am I clear? ये सिंबल याद रख लेना अपना. N आया कहीं भी तो नेचुरल नंबर्स है. W आया तो होल नंबर है. Z आया तो इंटीजर्स. Q आया तो रैशनल नंबर. S आया तो इरैशनल नंबर. R आया तो
Real number.
रियल नंबर. एंड इधर भी है देखो ऑड नंबर्स है, इवन नंबर्स है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑड नंबर? Numbers which start from 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Okay, if you want to define clearly, you can say numbers which cannot be divisible by 2. Those numbers are known as odd numbers. And even in basic we have seen minus 1 whole power odd number means, let me take 3. 3 is a odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. What you will get again?
Minus 3.
Minus 1. Why? Because the power is
3.
odd. Whenever odd power is there, you will get negative sign. If I am writing minus 1 whole power 99, you will multiply minus 1 99 times.
No, sir.
Is it easy for us every time to do? It will take lot of time. So just what is the shortcut? See the power. What is power?
9.
Odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. Directly you can write
Minus
minus
one.
1. Now you understand? Especially for 10th class while solving polynomial problems. There you are going to be useful this one.
Even number.
You will get minus 2 whole cube, right? Then you will get a plus of 2 into minus 2. This type of problems you will give. In 9th class also you are having the second chapter polynomials and factorization. There it will be useful, and manywhere. Okay, manywhere. I cannot say you the particular, but particularly I have seen in that chapters. Okay. Then apart from the, if it is even numbers, select any even number, anyone?
8.
8, 2. Okay, you will get
One.
1 plus 1 or 1 because the power is even.
Even number.
Now you understand the difference between this one and this one?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I am writing minus 1 whole power 100, Then
One.
1 easily, because 100 is what?
Even.
Even number.
Even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These all are comes under even numbers. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So sometimes you will get like this, minus 2 whole power 3
Minus 6. Minus 6.
minus
6.
6. Minus 8 is the answer. Minus 6 is wrong. Minus 2 is wrong. Here it was 1. 1 को कितने बार भी मल्टीप्लाई करो 1 ही चाहेगा ना. यहाँ पे 2 है. So 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2 are 4. 4 2 are 8. But sign should be minus. Why? Because?
We should divide 3.
Why? Because?
Odd.
Odd. Whenever odd number is there in power position or exponent position, you are going to write minus. Minus 2 whole power 99.
We'll get odd only. Minus only.
We are discussing about sign, so you say minus, that is enough. 2 into 2 into 99 time कर सकते हैं आप लोग. Then it will take lot of time. Understand? But while using calculator 2 into 2 into 2 into मारते रहते हैं. Right? In that also you are having shortcut. Once you multiply and press equal to symbol again and again 99 times, you will get the answer. That leave it. So from, you see how the odd and even numbers are helpful for us while solving the problem. Mainly what we say, अरे odd number है पढ़ लिए 2468, sorry even number है 2468, odd number है 135. इतना अच्छे इसमें बहुत काम है इससे. अगर ये numbers नहीं रहते तो आज आपके पास
ऐसे नहीं रहते थे.
कटिया नहीं रहते थे और कहीं के नाम आ देते ना उसके. अलग अलग नाम आए. So if because of numbers only we are able to print the notes. That much important numbers are. Then apart from that, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers?
2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4,
6, 8, 10.
2, 4, 6,
No,
8,
sir, no.
10 are prime numbers.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. 2, 3, 5,
These
7.
are
Even numbers.
even numbers. Just now we have discussed. Again you are saying again. क्यों even numbers पसंद आ रही है?
Prime numbers.
I'm writing prime numbers.
2, 3, 5.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. Why we are calling these numbers are prime numbers? Because they are only divisible by itself and by 1.
1.
अपने आप डिवाइड होते. अपने आप मतलब क्या है? 2 डिवाइड बाई 2. दोनों डिवाइड हुए, आंसर बना राइट. और 2 डिवाइड बाई 1. 1 से डिवाइड हुआ, आंसर 2 आया राइट. और 2 और कौन से भी टेबल में डिवाइड होता? 3 के टेबल में डिवाइड होता. 2 by 3 करके देखो आता क्या आंसर अपने को?
No, sir.
नहीं आता. एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं आता. एग्जैक्ट रिमाइंडर you are not going to get. Am I clear? That's the reason we are calling these numbers as prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and by itself. Okay? Then if you are going with twin prime, easily you will understand. Prime के बाद twin word सुने?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
कब सुने?
2 जने रहते हैं.
हाँ देखे पहले ऐसी जगह पहले रहती नॉलेज अपनी. हाँ माशाल्लाह. जुड़े हुए बच्चे देखे कभी?
No, sir.
हाँ देखे.
मुझे नहीं.
हाँ आपके घर में है? माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. आपके भी घर में है? कौन कौन? नहीं कि नहीं बोलूँ कि तुम्हारे घर में मैं परेशान हुआ. तुम्हारे भाई हैं क्या? ट्विन बोलते हैं. ट्विन. Here also same. इधर ट्विन का मतलब ये है. हेलो. ट्विन का मतलब ये है. क्या है सर? 3 और 5 है. 5 और 7 है. 3 और 5 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो नॉर्मली. 5 और 3 को डिफरेंस कितना है? 2. 7 और 5 को डिफरेंस करो. ऐसे नंबर्स को ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स बोलते हैं. अब सपोज मैं 2 और 3 ले लिया. 2 और 3 भी प्राइम नंबर्स है ना?
No, sir.
है नहीं है. अब इन लोग सेपरेट करो, सब्ट्रैक्ट करो.
1.
ये ट्विन प्राइम नंबर है क्या? Now you understand? Twin prime numbers are those numbers when you subtract you should get the answer 2. 2, not same. 2. Always you should get 2. Then coming to the last one, that is composite number. Composite number. What is the meaning of composite number? Anyone? కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చెప్తున్నా. చిన్నపిల్లలు చెప్తారు చూడు 1 2 3 అది చెప్తున్నా నేను. ఇప్పుడు ఇది కూడా చేయలే అనుకో, 1 నెల 2 నెలలు చూసి ఎలా కొడతాయి అంతే. దగ్గర ఉంది నీ ఛాన్స్. అనుకోకు పైసలు కడుతున్నా వస్తున్నా, ఇక్కడ పైసల విషయం ఉండదు. అర్థమైందా? జాగ్రత్త దగ్గర మంచిగా రాసుకో, ఊకే రివిజన్ చేయి. కాంపోజిట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ కాంపోజిట్? Composite numbers are those numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Which are having more than 2 factors. यहाँ पे देखो खाली 2 ही factor थे. कौन कौन? Number itself and by 1. So we are calling as prime numbers. What we are calling? Prime number. But here, in this case, you will be having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Am I clear? What is that? Example 4.
2, 6.
4 is divisible by 1. You will get the answer right. 4 is divisible by 2. You will get the answer 2 right. 4 is divisible by 4. Right? So, see, more than 2 factors it is having. 2 से ज़्यादा है, 3 भी हो सकते हैं, 4 भी हो सकते हैं, 10 भी हो सकते हैं, मगर 2 से ज़्यादा रहना. That's the reason again I am saying more than 2 factors. Numbers which are divisible by more than 2 factors, we can call those numbers as composite numbers. Am I clear? Are you getting my point? So come on, say me one example. 6. 1 6 is 6. 6 1 is 6. 2 3 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 4 factors is 12. 1 12 is 12. 2 6 is 12. 6 2 is 12. 12 1 is 12.
18.
4 factors. 18. 1 18 is 18. 2 9 is 18. 9 2 is 18. 18 1 is 18. 4 factors. 7 है. ऐसे numbers को क्या बोलते हैं? Composite numbers. Am I clear, everyone? So these are about number system. First what was our first chapter? Tables. How you are going to learn tables? Reverse. One example I will show you. Suppose if I am saying 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. No. We will read reverse. How? 2 10s are 20, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 2 7 14, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Like this you are going to see. Am I clear, everyone? Suppose if I am asking 3 table, 3 10s are 20, 3 9s are 23, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Within half minute भी I think if you see my time 15 I think 5 to 10 seconds I am able to say one table, that too without mistake and without stopping in the middle. Same thing if you are doing, then I will send you fast. Otherwise you will be. Yesterday little I was busy, so I did not stop anyone. Here and there they said, एक जना रुक के बोला, एक जना गलत बोला, फिर भी सर भेज दिए. उन्होंने क्या समझ रहे हैं? सर लाइट सुन रहे, चले गए. स्मार्ट समझ रहे, सर मौका दे रहे. तुम स्मार्ट कुछ भी नहीं है अभी, समझे? तुम्हारे से स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स को देख लिया हमने. तो आज without mistake how I just now replied, said same way you are going to say. Okay? So if you understand, please like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you. Jai Hind.